In this matter, there is evidence in the case that a jury could weigh that the statements were made by the defendant, that the statements were about the plaintiff, that the statement was published, that the statement is false.
Breaking developments have emerged as a judge issues a decision regarding Amber Heard after newly surfaced audio recordings sparked fresh controversy. During emotional testimony, Heard became visibly distressed while recounting allegations that Johnny Depp assaulted her with a liquor bottle, claims his defense team sharply rejected, describing her appearance on the stand as theatrical. At the same time, previously released audio clips captured Heard acknowledging that she had struck Depp during heated arguments and thrown household items in anger, recordings that quickly fueled intense public debate.
Just because I've thrown pots and pans does not mean that you come and knock on the door. Just because there are vases does not mean that you come and knock on the door.
The judge appeared visibly concerned as the recordings were discussed in court. So what exactly did the audio clips contain? Let's break it down. During the early phase of the trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, jurors were presented with portions of recorded arguments from their marriage. Depp's attorney played several of these recordings in court, offering the jury a glimpse into the volatility and tension that characterized parts of their relationship.
I don't want anything to fucking do with you. You don't want fucking something to do with you. You think I want that fucking old ass fucking piece of shit? Fuck you.
Allegations state that Amber Heard initiated physical confrontations while he tried to distance himself from the conflict. The Aquaman star then speaks about heated outbursts in a series of recorded conversations the couple made in 2015. While attempting to work through their marital issues in one extended audio clip, she disputes claims of punching Johnny Depp, insisting instead that she only hit him.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you. It was not punching you. Babe, you're not punched.
The audio clip captures her attempting to minimize her outburst from the previous evening.
I was hitting you. I don't know what the motion of my actual hand was, but you're fine. I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you.
Amber Heard, a public advocate for women's rights and vocal supporter of domestic violence awareness, is heard in the recording criticizing him for walking away from the late-night altercation, telling him he was retreating from the confrontation.
You're a fucking baby.
Because you start physical fights?
You're such a baby!
Because
Grow the fuck up,
because you start physical fights?
She tells the 56-year-old Oscar nominee that if you provoke an animal long enough, eventually it will react no matter how gentle it may be. That moment was one of many heated disputes the couple discussed during an informal 2-hour therapy-style conversation recorded with her consent on a cell phone. Reports indicate additional recordings exist, each adding more explosive claims as the former partners exchange serious allegations of domestic abuse in the civil defamation case filed last year by Johnny Depp. In one segment, he says he left because he feared things would escalate further, admitting he was afraid the situation could spiral out of control. Meanwhile, Amber Heard, who sought divorce in May 2016, alleging abuse during their 18-month marriage, responds that she cannot promise she will always be perfect.
I can't promise you that I'll be perfect. I can't promise you I won't get physical again. God, I fucking sometimes get so mad.
Later, when Amber Heard's lawyer cross-examined Johnny Depp on the stand, additional evidence was entered, including audio of a tense moment in which Depp allegedly threatened self-harm with a knife while Heard pleaded for him to stop. One of Depp's witnesses, their former marriage counselor Laurel Anderson, testified she observed what she described as mutual abuse between the two. Social media erupted after clips of these recordings surfaced, with many claiming the audio contradicted Heard's victim narrative during the trial. One user tweeted that listening to the full tapes gave them insight into the relationship, describing it as a chaotic and toxic dynamic. Some argued Heard went from attempts at reconciliation to aggression in heated moments. Others commented on Depp's calm and restrained demeanor. Critics highlighted contradictions in Heard's testimony, noting that in her UK deposition she denied initiating physical fights, yet the audio appeared to show otherwise. The clips sparked intense debate online, with users weighing credibility and accountability on both sides. What do you think about the leaked audio recordings? Share your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching until the end, and have a great day.